Importance of English essay for higher secondary students. In today's competitive world, importance of English cannot be ignored. English is one of the most spoken languages in the world. People from different parts of the world having different languages as their mother tongues are able to communicate easily with knowledge of English. Nowadays, English has become the language of education in many countries. In India itself, we have numerous English medium schools. It becomes convenient for a student to get higher education from Western countries if he already knows English. Today, English has also become important to make a good career. Many multinational companies prefer job aspirants who have a good knowledge of English. Most documentation work done in offices is also in English language. Good knowledge of English language also helps many candidates to seek employment outside India. English literature is very rich and diverse, so with the knowledge of English we have access to many literary masterpieces. Even the internet has more than half of the websites made in English language, so English helps in gaining a vast knowledge through the medium of internet. Learning a foreign language helps in developing our personality too. Learning English will give us most of the benefits of learning a foreign language. In this age of globalization, the whole world seems like a platform where mode of communication is English. We can share our ideas and communicate easily with English. With English, we can express our views to more number of people across the globe. It also helps tourists who visit a different country. Because many of the people all over the world know English, tourists can communicate with local people in English language. In today's world of social media, English is the most common language used by everyone on the net. If we want to share our thoughts or work on the internet, then our work can reach to maximum people if we express it in English. English has been the global language from long time and it will be in the future too. It helps us to follow trends, technology and modernization with so much. Good morning to one and all present here. Today I am here to share my views about importance of education. Education plays a very important role in one's life. It helps us to be successful and to be a better person. Education improves our knowledge, skills, confidence level and personality. It empowers us intellectually and helps us to deal with problems. In today's competitive world, good education has become a necessity. Higher education helps in getting a good job and position. Education also prepares people for different life experiences. It helps people to have a special status in society. Moreover, education polishes our mind and strengthens our character. Education helps us to take right decisions. It is the key to success in personal as well as professional life. It makes us smart enough to handle tough situations and to live a happy life. A person having good education becomes good citizen of the country. A country can progress well if its citizens are well educated. All in all, education is the process of acquiring knowledge which helps to be successful. There are many benefits of good education like having a good career, improved self-confidence, and having a good status in society. Education helps to grow in life. It is the reason behind many successful people and nations. Above all, it helps in building a better society for the citizens of a nation. It helps to eliminate the